back to my channel. Today I'm going to do 25 random facts about me. And I've seen so many YouTubers doing this challenge and it's like really fun to watch because you get to know so much weird things about them that you never had the idea of, and even you can relate to some of them. And it will also help you to get to know me better. So let's get started. Random fact number 1. I like pink color, but then I hate to commit that I like pink because most of the girls, they love pink. So I really hate to say that I like pink, but then I always end up buying pink colors like pink toothbrush, pink soap, pink hair comb, pink clothes, pink phone cover, pink everything. I always end up buying pink things, but then I hate to say that I love pink, but I love pink, if you know what I mean. Random fact number 2. I cannot swallow tablets. Like, no matter how tiny or how big it is, I just cannot do it. If you give me a medicine, I will stare at it for like good 15 to 20 minutes and I will tell myself that, you know, Tanya, you can do it. But then I just feel like I'm gonna choke and I'm gonna die. And I even tell myself that we swallow food as well and we can do it, right? But then I just can't. And if it's a capsule, do hell with it. I will never take capsules in my life. Like, somebody even told me that you can break the capsule and you can eat that andar ka jo medicine hota hai, you can eat that. I can't do it. It's so gross for me. Random fact number 3. I cannot sleep without taking a blanket. No matter how hot it is, I need my blanket. I need to cover my legs and then only I can sleep. Otherwise, I cannot sleep without a blanket. Let me know if you all do that. Random fact number 4. I can never decide what to eat. Like, you can take me anywhere. कोई भी अच्छे से अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट ले जाओ. I cannot decide what to eat. And अगर मैंने कभी गलती से डिसाइड किया कि मुझे आज ये खाना है, तो उस दिन वही चीज खराब है कि बाकी सबका खाना इट विल बी लाइक डिलिशियस एंड देन मेरा खाना सबसे बेकार आता है. रैंडम फैक्ट नंबर 5. आई एंड इट्स अ वियर्ड वन, ओके, आई लाइक मुशी राइस. whenever you're making pulao or like the masala rice with all the veggies, I like it mushy. But when it's a sada rice, like the plain rice, white rice, it has to be खिला खिला. So it depends. अगर आप सादा चावल बना रहे हो, it has to be खिला खिला, and if you're making masala rice or pulao, it has to be mushy. Otherwise, I will not eat it. That's how I am. Little weird. Random fact number 6. I am allergic to so many things. Okay, I am allergic to artificial jewelry. I just cannot wear it. Like, I see my friends wearing those jhumkas or like the bangles. I can only wear it for like pictures for a minute or so. I cannot wear it. मुझे इतना गंदा rash हो जाता है. And then, speaking of allergies, here comes the random fact number 7. I am also allergic to Doritos, especially the cheese flavor. I love eating Doritos, okay, I just love it. But then whenever I eat Doritos, there's a weird thing, okay, but whenever I eat it, my hand, this right hand starts paining like so bad. And I'm sure कि उसी की वजह से, because जब मैं वो खाती हूँ तभी मेरे इस वाले हाथ में सिर्फ पेन होता है and बहुत extreme, बहुत ज़्यादा वाला पेन होता है. But I love it and I cannot stop eating Doritos. Random fact number 8. I am allergic to so many things. Okay, this is the last one. I am also allergic to dust. I know लोगों को लगेगा कि हाँ नाटक है, but then seriously, जब भी मेरे हाथ में या मेरे पैर में डस्ट लग जाता है, इतना ज़्यादा रेड हो जाता है मेरा हाथ भी, and my feet as well. It gets red and it is so difficult to walk after that. Seriously, and लोगों को लगता है मैं नाटक कर रही हूँ. But it's true. Random fact number 9. I love K3G. My favorite movie is Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum and I've watched it for like more than 100 times. तो मैंने देखा ही होगा. And then there is another one, BB number 1. तो सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे पसंद है कभी खुशी कभी गम and then BB number 1. That's all. Random fact number 10. And I know that people are gonna hate me for this, but I hate tea and coffee. मैंने कभी नहीं पिया एंड मुझे पीना भी नहीं है. आई डोंट लाइक टी एंड कॉफ़ी एंड आई नो बहुत सारे लोग इसके बिना रह नहीं सकते, बट आई जस्ट हेट इट. सॉरी. Random fact number 11. I've never seen that movie Andaz Apna Apna or Sholay or Suryavansham. There's so many more. And people are like, तूने ये नहीं देखी, तूने अंदाज अपना अपना नहीं देखी. And मैंने try किया था. I tried एक बार देखने के लिए. And I thought that was boring.
I can't do it, sorry.
Random fact number 12. I hate horror stories, horror movies, horror TV shows. Especially वो जो WhatsApp पे एक मैसेज आता है,
देखते रहो एकदम से भूत आता है. I just hate it so much. मुझे बहुत डर लगता है भूत से. प्लीज मुझे मत दिखाया करो, मुझे मत भेजा करो. Thank you so much.
Random fact number 13. And I know that इससे तो बहुत सारे लोग रिलेट करेंगे. I cannot find things. Like मम्मी बोलेगी एक चीज वहां पड़ी है उस टेबल के नीचे उस ड्रॉर में, एंड आई कैन नॉट फाइंड दैट. एंड जब भी मम्मी आती है उनको मिल जाता है. आई डोंट नो हाउ. लाइक आई जस्ट कांट फाइंड थिंग्स. एंड मैं चीजें रख के भूल जाती हूँ, कुछ ज्यादा संभाल के रख देती हूँ. Random fact number 14. I can sleep very little and still have the energy to do anything. Like even if I'm sleeping for like 2 hours, I'm okay with it. Random fact number 15. I do not have a sweet tooth. Like I don't like sweet things. I don't like chocolates. I don't like toffees. I don't even like मिठाई. हाँ बस अगर खाना भी है तो I will take बहुत like इतना सा लूँगी, एक पीस लूँगी, and I just cannot eat anything sweet. Random fact number 16. I am very bad at following directions to reach somewhere. Like if I have to follow like Google Maps and उसमें right बता रहा है, I'm very bad at it. And मुझे आज भी अपने हाथ देखना पड़ता है कि कौन सा right है कौन सा left है, and then only I can follow direction. And then I get so confused उस Google Map में, I just cannot follow directions. Random fact number 17. I cannot remember the lyrics of a song. Like it's, and still I will sing, okay? Like suppose a song, एक पल का जीना ना 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 ना. Like मुझे आता नहीं है, but still मैं ना 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 करके पूरा गाना गाऊंगी. And then मेरे friends इतना irritate हो जाते हैं, but I love it. But I just can't remember the lyrics of a song. Sorry. Random fact number 18. I do not have any tattoos on my body, but I am planning to get one really soon, and I have something in my mind. I will share with all of you my journey, but for now, as of now, I do not have any tattoos on my body. Random fact number 19. I cannot eat food with my right hand. Like I am a righty, I'm not a lefty, but then I just can't eat with my right hand. I have to eat it with my left hand, and people find it really weird. And I'm like, क्या weird है इसमें? आप लोग right से खाते हो, मैं left से खाती हूँ. What is the problem? And I remember कि लोग when I was like really young, like छोटी थी जब मैं, लोग बोलते थे मेरे mom dad को कि इसका left hand बांध दो, and then she will eat it from her right hand only. And I was like, why? What is the need? आप सीधे हाथ से खाओ, मैं आपको नहीं रोक रही, मुझे उल्टा हाथ से खाने दो, मुझे मत रोको. But I just can't. I've tried it. It's not like I've not tried it, but then I just can't do it. Weirdo. Random fact number 20. I have never bunked school. Like मैंने कभी school bunk नहीं करा है, and I'm not really proud of that. I wanted to do it. Random fact number 21. I cannot talk to anybody over a phone. Like आप मुझसे मैसेज करवा लो, you can text me, you can WhatsApp me, you can DM me on Instagram, you can even send me a message on Facebook. I will reply, but please don't call me. I cannot even talk to my friends or family, anybody. Like I'm calling somebody and they don't answer. I feel so happy कि चलो ठीक है अब मैसेज पे बात हो जाएगी, and they didn't answer. And then when my friends call me and my phone is right in front of me, but I will not answer. I'm sorry guys, I'm telling you the truth, but I just don't like to. If you want to tell me anything important, just text me, I will see right away. But then if you're calling me, I'm sorry, most of the time I'm not gonna answer your phone calls, and I'm really sorry for that, but I just don't feel comfortable to talk on a phone. Random fact number 22, and again it's a weird one. I told you, right, I don't have a sweet tooth and I don't really like sweet things. but then जब भी मेरे घर में हॉर्लिक्स आता है, I love it. Not with milk. I will take a bowl, I will take 2-3 full spoon of Horlicks and I will eat it. But I don't like chocolate. Okay? मैं वैसे chocolate नहीं खाऊंगी, but I like chocolate flavor का Horlicks and ऐसे ही खाना उसको. I love it. Random fact number 23. I love grocery stores. Like I can spend hours. Like literally I can spend hours there. मैं घूमती रहूँगी एक से दूसरी aisles में, and I really like to shop from the grocery stores. Like whenever I go to a mall, I will always go to like the Big Bazaar or More or Spar. I can spend hours there and I love it. अब मैं आराम से 2-3 घंटे वहाँ घूम सकती हूँ. Random fact number 24, and I don't think most of you all know that I am a classical dancer. I have learned Kathak. But then मैंने उसको continue नहीं करा because of studies and exams. But yeah, I know how to dance. Random fact number 25, and I am not really proud of that, and I'm quite embarrassed that I cannot run. Like 2 बच्चे भी मुझसे ज़्यादा तेज भाग लेते हैं, and I'm like इतना धीरे धीरे करके कौन भागता है? I don't know why मेरे से नहीं भागा जाता. I don't know why I'm like that. So that is all for today, and I really hope that you like this video. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you can relate to any of the weird fact, or tell me your weird fact about yourself. You can tell me in the comments down below. Also, if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I really need your support right now. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and till then I will see you in my next one. Goodbye.